Geopolitics right now is the biggest show on earth. The pendulum is swinging back because the US and the allies want to rebuild their industrial base. And you saw this very, very in no uncertain terms when Trump took office and he got these big technology companies to commit to rebuild in America, to onshore critical production and manufacturing capabilities. So you have TSMC, they're actually creating semiconductors now in the US, $100 billion investment, followed by similar big numbers by Apple and Nvidia. Both have committed $500 billion to building factories in the US. I actually moved to Texas last year from London because of this industrial build-out, which I think is so critical to the industrialization of intelligence. And it's absolutely fascinating seeing how quickly this infrastructure is being built out in places like Texas.